Got this from scrap. It got given to me at scrap now because I try and repair it and I can't repair it. But it has got there's nozzles probably, and I try to tighten it up and everything. I try to put a screwdriver in, and it's just once I tighten it's so rattling. But then there's a missing knob, but it helps you twist it. Well, I still with a pair of pliers. Put it in, nothing. Put new screws in, nothing. Because I was going to test it first and then do a YouTube video about it, saying that I got it working. But I wanted to test it right because I didn't really want to test it and it didn't work. And I don't want to. I like to have success on this channel, but I could have done, but I've taken it apart. And then I took it to an expert to repair it, and he said that he don't know why it's not spinning. And I thought, oh well. So, don't know if it's copper or not. It might be steel, might be alloy, might be stainless. Don't know. But looking at it, it might be copper. But feeling the weight on it, it's going to be alloy, but with plus the motor in it. But I'll be surprised if it is copper. So what I'm going to do is take the screw off there, and then take the screw out of this. It's just a simple screw in there. So I don't know why it just don't want to screw in there. And then take the screw out back of this. This is a long screw. So you see how that comes out? Yeah. Then we get cutters. Goodbye. So that's that off. Get that off there a minute. Just trying to. I'll just cut the cable short, and then I'll finish it off when I can, taking the rest of that off there. So get magnet. This is technically, there it is. Technically magnetic, so it's going to be steel. So it's also slightly bit over to be alloy and copper, unless it's magnetic stainless. I'll get that information and then I'll see if it is what it is. Then got the plug. I always see a lot of people, you know, where I see them cut it there, like they go like that and cut it there. But I always say to them, you should have cut there because that's just rubber. Yeah. Yeah. Because inside on it, it's this cable. Yeah. So it's this. So yeah. And then the plug. If you want to warm it up and put it in a brass, you can do. So I've got a bit of copper cable. Then what I'm going to do is just take all these screws off. This is going to take quite some time. Take this off. But that's what I don't want with the drill. Oh wait, hang on. So that's the stand off already. some bit of plastic. There you go, so just in the end of it. Just can bring you down without it falling. So just taking the screws off. Yeah. So that's just all plastic there. Some more screws. Might do them with and one. Because so that's one of these screws, it's this. So this front of the van might have loads of it. So let's see. I might have to take the pins off. This is it, isn't it? Got some really more screws out in a minute, or I don't when it's really don't come. So that might be coffee in the middle there, I think. So what I need to do is just use these screws inside this. One more to go. So that's off. Yep. The bit alley on there, that might be copper in a minute. So I'll put that on for a minute. So this here. Just take these screws off here. Might need this here. There you go. So guys, see you back out again. So this. one off. Eight some screws where I just 8 screws where then where just put in. No idea. That way they're flat. But sometimes they work. Half the time anyway. No. First I set it on the drill. Put it on the so I set there. I'm not able. There's still that thing, thing in it. Might not able to get. Unless let's try and cut. So I can just get my finger behind it, show the bolt behind it. Don't know how I've fucking done this. I can try to also try to, but I don't, just don't do. Just trying to get something where I can just. Try to. I don't want to do it till I can just get. Like, try to damage the outside to get into it. Then you get to this bolt. Yeah. That's 3. Now I need to get down here. Open it like a wooden tin opener. Then get lines down it. Just going to that last bolt now. Just need to open it that little bit. So that's a bit of steel. All on it is. And then that's just a bit of steel there. And that comes off. That's a bit of steel with the alley on it. Yeah. Some of them it's just you can just use a gun like that, then knock it that way. Yeah. Soon comes off. And then all that copper. And most of these, you can just cut it down here, and then it will easy to come out then, and you don't have to nut it. So, yeah, to catch it clean. Let's see if this is. Yeah, that's the alley in the middle, so that has to come off somehow, but unless I just cut it. I've got it here, and that'll come off. So I just look like this basic scrap really. And that, look at this. Yeah. That's a bit like that is. So it's all a bit of steel. And then I just got all these screws and plastic bits. And that's it really, guys. And then when it got out of it, it's a good transformer. Whatever. And then some cable. And that's it, guys. Yeah, and a plug. Yeah, it's all steel.